Okay guys, here we are out at the swamp. There's about 20-mile-an-hour winds. Andrea's landing the Escapade. Winds are very heavy out here right now. And, ooh, he bounced. And he gave it gas. Abort! Brought it up.
What the fuck?
This is going to be a challenging landing. I see it coming. I don't know. The wind is really kicking. Really kicking. You okay? Just land it, man.
Oh, wait, just a second. Did you use the flaps?
Yes. You probably don't need them though. All right.
Oh, that was a hard landing.
Good job.
That was a hard landing.